Hello viewers, it's Usair Ahmad and you're watching Ahmad Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss our new topic, that is adjectives. We will later on make videos regarding its types and its degrees. So let's move on. An adjective is a word that adds something to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. Now, what does that mean? It means that an adjective is a word which gives us some information regarding the noun or a pronoun in a sentence. Or, in other words, we can say that adjectives are words that modify or describe nouns or pronouns. It modifies or describes a noun or a pronoun in a sentence. How? For example, if I say this is a large room. Now, in this sentence, this is a large room. Room is a noun. What is large in this sentence? Large. So the large word gives us information about the room. Noun, room. So it is what? It is an adjective. Or if we take another sentence like he is happy. So the word happy is telling us something about who? The word he, the pronoun he. Or if I say Ali was disappointed. Ali was disappointed. Now, who was disappointed? Ali. Who was disappointed? Ali. And how was he? He was disappointed. So the word disappointed is referring to what? Who to who? To Ali. So it is telling us something about Ali. Or if I say that I'm happy, I'm happy. So the word happy is telling us something about me. The word I. Okay? Or if I say that Salman is my best friend. So in this sentence, friend is a noun. So what is this best word? Okay? The word best is used for modifying friend. Or if I say that I have five pencils. So this in this sentence, five is what? Five is an adjective because it is telling us something about the pencils, that how many pencils do I have. So I say I have five pencils. Or if you say that I have 10,000 rupees. So rupees is a noun and 10,000 is what? Is the quantity that you have. Is the quantity that you have. So it is telling us about the quantity of that very thing, of that very noun. So these are all adjectives. Okay, so any word which gives us some information about the noun or the pronoun, that are known as adjectives. Okay, but always remember that all the parts of speech work according to the structure of a sentence. It has nothing to do with the meaning of a sentence. For example, I will later on explain this point. This is my car. This car is mine. Both the sentence, if you look at both the sentences, they carry the same meaning. They carry the same meaning, but their grammatical structure, but their sentence structure is what? It is quite different from each other. As in the first sentence, this is used as a demonstrative pronoun, like this is my car. In this sentence, this is used as a demonstrative what? Demonstrative pronoun. But next sentence, in the next sentence, this car is mine. Here it is demonstrating car, but as an adjective. So it is demonstrative adjective. Okay, got it? So keep it in your mind that, like other parts of speech, adjectives also change their positions and reference in the sentence. What do we mean by reference? It means that the thing that we are referring to. Okay, so for example, if I say that he is clever, he's clever. So in this sentence, clever is referring to he. But in the other sentence, in the next sentence, he is a clever boy. Now, clever is referring to boy, not he, because it is used with the word boy. So keep this thing in your mind, that a part of speech has nothing to do with its meaning. Okay, it has all got to do with the structure of the sentence. The same word can be used uh, in different places in a sentence, and it can have different roles according to the structure of the sentence. For example, if I give you an example that I water my plants every day. Here in this sentence, the word water is not the same thing that you refer to in the real life, that you call water and that you drink. No, here the word water is used as a verb in this sentence. It is not a noun. Okay? Or if I say the watered plants have grown. Now in this sentence, it is neither used as a noun nor it is used as a verb in this sentence, but it is used as an adjective in this sentence. So you must keep this thing in your mind, that a word can have different roles in a sentence according to the way it has been put by the writer or anyone who has put it in the sentence. So I think that is enough for today, and we will later on learn about the adjectives in the next videos. Thank you so much.